Well, I'm back in the shop here with my 2001 Lightning, and something that's just finally gotten to be too much for me is these taillights. They gotta go. Style-wise, I'm not totally offended by them. They're not that bad. You know, it's kind of part of the look from 2001. That's kind of the style. These are stock. That's what would have come on this truck. The earlier ones, the 99 and 2000 trucks, had a different style of a tail light. This would have been only for the 01 to 04 years. But they've seen some age. You can see if you get up close that they've been buffed on too hard and just kind of sun-spotted, and especially from the top. They just don't look very good anymore. This one over here is actually in pretty decent shape. I'd probably put that one back on, but the other thing that bugs me is you can see right here, like, kind of muddy, crappy water has gotten in there. So it's just time to go. So I got what I consider to be an upgrade, some lights, and we'll unpack them and see what we're looking at. Okay, so I bought these lights from 1A Auto. They're not obviously sponsoring this video in any way, but this is just some cheapos that I bought, and I don't know, we'll try them out, see what they're like, but here's what you get. So basically this is the exact light that would have been in a Harley or any SuperCrew truck of the era. And so this is the kind of typical shape of a light, but there are two different versions of this. So if you look on the back here, this one's made for basically two sockets. There's another version with the reverse light in the center right here, and that would have been on an earlier truck. That would have been the 99 to 2000 Lightnings. They have that center bulb like that. So if you're gonna go to make this change, you'd want to know which version you're talking about. So for the 01 to 04s, this is what you need, and it's a Depot Auto Parts brand light, so I assume, you know, made of the finest Chinesium here. I assume they're kind of some crappers, but they look nice, and they'll look nice for what I'm doing for now. So I didn't want to get too crazy with anything LED, because I'm not positive that I'll like this look, but I'm not crazy about the visual mods in general. I kind of like them looking stock, but this was a change that I kind of had to make. So we'll get the old ones out and put these in. So real quick before I take them out, this is an example of what they look like at night. You know, you can see the cloudiness, especially towards the top there. Okay, so the fitment's about like I expected it to be. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Just kind of had to press in on the bottom section so that bolt would pull it in real nice. So I'm gonna quick whip the other one out and we'll see what they look like. Alright, well I got them on there. I gotta admit, it is a pretty striking difference when you've been used to seeing this truck exactly this way for so long. It is kind of a different look. So let me know what you think. If you like them, if you don't like them, that's fine too. It's just had to do something because they were so played out. The other ones were. So anyway, turn the lights off and see what they look like in the dark. Okay, here they are. I don't know, so it's really gonna show a whole lot different on the camera here, but I think they look better at night, to be honest with you. Okay, well that took seriously about I don't know, 10 minutes to put them in. So if you're thinking about doing this, difficulty is definitely not something you even want to think about. It's super easy. Just give it a shot and see if you like it.